What's up? My name is Timmy. I like sharing multiplication tricks with my friends. I know several ways to multiply by 5. Some of them are easier than others. Let's take a look at one of them. The first thing to know is that if you know how to count by 5, you already know how to multiply by 5. For example, to solve for 5 times 5, you can count by 5 until you get to the 5th number. That makes it easy to see that 5 times 5 is 25. Remember, 5 times 5 means you're adding 5 things together 5 times. As you just saw, it's very easy to multiply by 5. Can you do it? Here's a chance to find out. I'll give you a moment. Don't forget to skip count by 5 whenever you get stuck. Did you know the answers? 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 5 is 15, and 6 times 5 is 30. That's my first trick for multiplying by 5. I have a couple more, but it might be best for you to practice with this trick first. Make sure to stop by and visit with me soon. I'll catch up with you later.